Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregating news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking, it's going to be swearing, there is going to be smoking. If you don't like those things, well, leave now, because here I come in 3, look, 2, one more time, 1, bang! Gave you a little extra time on that one. Welcome to Crypto. Well, my name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Now, obviously, we have a great show for you today. So we're going to talk. We're going to talk a little techie. IOTA presents its Tangle concept, and we're going to talk about that. Yes. Then we're going to get in some money talk. HSBC. So you guys know the HSBC, major bank. They're teaching their clients about crypto. So we're going to talk about that. So like last night was sort of the liquidity show, right? Like what did we talk about? Right? The Bitcoin IRA. Yeah, the RSX futures, and then that Swiss ETP thing, right? And so this is sort of more liquidity. And then China. I told you guys. China is down. China is going to be down with this stuff. They just want to make sure it works and allow it to be deployed slowly to their citizens like that. And so they said it themselves. They called Bitcoin a safe haven. Yes, safe haven. That's what they're telling their citizens. It's a safe haven. That's pretty deep. So we're going to talk about that, seeing as 1 in 5 people on Earth are bang, look, bang, Chinese. All right, guys, so let's begin how we began. Bang, look. Bang, yes. All right, the Bitcoin prices today. Hold on, let's do a refresh. So 11,394, let's see. 11,491. Oh, hey. Yeah, man. Bitcoin. What, it went up over, it went up to 13,000, and then now it's back down. Oh, 11,491. So it's even below what we were at yesterday. Yeah, I told you I hate those $1,000 moves. What happened is, yeah, big $1,000 moves. Yeah, guys took profits, man. They were like, look, we made all this money in one day. Psh, cashed out. So no big deal, guys. No big deal. I know I read some shit, some crypto sites. Fuck, man. All right. Come on. Let's just do this. Bitcoin is at 11,491. And yesterday it was at 12,098. So down, what was that? Just under, what was that? About $500. Down about $500. All right. Finally, just fuck. You can't have, bang, 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 bang. Like it went over. I read to you yesterday. Like, yeah, we went over $3,000 in like 4 days. Like, there's gonna be a retrace. I taught you guys about retrace. Yeah, buy the dip, idiot. And so that's why you better be buying right now. But yeah, right. So look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day. Oh, I didn't even fuel or get a cigarette or anything. Hold on. Actually, I was watching the debates tonight and everything. I didn't go to sleep this time so I could be awake and give it on time. Blockchain Stallion said she woke up and didn't get my video. She put a funny video. She was like, "What day is it today?" Because I guess she listens to this from Tuesday to Saturday. So when it wasn't there, she was like, "What the fuck? What day is it?" That's smart. So I decided to stay awake this time instead of like yesterday where, well, I don't know, I uploaded this like 10 in the morning. So look, brothers, top 10 of the day, brothers. Bang, bang, look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and Cardano. Bang, Cardano taking over the 10 spot once again. Yes. Fighting, battling. Yes, Tron and Cardano battling for supremacy in the top 10. Yes, brothers. That's how it goes. Battling for supremacy in the top 10. All right, what do we got here? Market moves of the day, brothers and sisters. Yes, sweeties. Look. Oh, well, Single digits up, single digits down. I didn't even know why I sat there thinking about that. Like, what is there to think about, Shamari? What else is there? Actually, if I had done this show at about, I don't know, I think it was about 5 this afternoon when I looked at it. Oh, hey, everything was like 12, 13, 20% down. I was like, damn. Yeah. All right. So single digits up, single digits down, single digits up, two single digits down. Bye. Look. If you see anything on here you like, top 10 loser of the day, you go buy it. It is on sale. Yes, there's probably some selection here. Let's see. Bye. Look. Top 10 loser of the day, brothers. Insight Coin, Aurora, Dent, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Hypercash, EOS, ABBC Coin, Omis Go, and Mixin. Yes. Look. Let's see who made money today. Top gainers of the day. Bang. Well, there's some gains right there, Mr. X Max. All right, top 10 gainers of the day. X Max, Ox, Igrisha, Zcash, Dogecoin, Walton Chain, Educare, Maximind Coin, DAI, and NEM. Bang, bang, look. Yes. Look. All right, let's see what our market cap of the day is. Oh, yeah, I forgot that I can pull this forward. All right, yes. So look. What are we dealing with? 326.9 billion in total market cap. And yesterday we were at, so a significant decrease. Yesterday we were at 342.6. So we got a little bit of a, what is that? $16 billion drop around there, something like that. And then we now have a 119.3 in volume today, in total volume today, 24-hour volume. And we had, oh yeah, that's sick. Wow. So we had a big drop in price, in market cap, but we had actually a significant drop in volume as well. We were at 119.3 today. Yesterday we were at 136.4. So we took a, what is that? 27, is that 27 million? Hold on. Let me get my math right. $17 billion drop in volume, which is surprising. So that shows me, like I said, low volume. So low volume, and we went up the other day. That told me guys bought and hodled. And like I just told you right now, yeah, low volume, and then the price tanked today. But you know, we suffered steep losses today. Yeah, that tells me, yeah, that was just those same guys who bought the other day cashing out. Yeah, a little profit taking, you know. Guys are profit taking. No big deal. No big deal. What'd be a big deal if we go down like, if we get into the, like I told you, we 10,000 was the psychological area of support and resistance, right? And I told you it's just human nature. Like you get in a frenzy when you get over the round numbers. Remember I taught you guys about round numbers, and so yeah, I made it just blast. Yeah, and then people, you know, they've made so much money. Yeah, they take a little out. We retrace a little. Yeah, and then we'll be on our way. Yeah, we'll be on our way again in the next couple days or so. Shit, maybe fucking by the end of tonight for all I know. This market's so volatile, you never know what's going to go down, right? Very immature market, not much liquidity. Well, you know, prices tend to be what we call herky-jerky. Herky-jerky. All right, brothers, but look. IOTA. Bye. Yes. So look. All right. Actually, the truth is, there was nothing to talk about today. Because I told you, I'm not talking about that Libra bullshit. That Facebook crap. So, there was nothing else. You know what I mean? Tron didn't do anything. Ethereum didn't do anything. No one did anything today. I was like, fuck. And I saw this, and I was like, well, it's super nerd ticky crap, but fuck it. I gotta fill a third slot in the show. So we're gonna start out with this, and then we're gonna get to our money, which is what I really like. I was like, is there nothing else? Right? No regulators, no nothing said anything. Justin, son, you're not tweeting anything? Damn, dog. Bail me out. Bail a brother out. I mean, I talk about IOTA and everything, but not really just these little upgrades. I talk about them when they do sort of bigger things. But look, here we go. IOTA presents Tangle concept paper at IEEE ICBC 2019 in Seoul. All right. The IOTA Foundation presented a concept paper on Tangle at the IEEE ICBC 2019 conference in Seoul, South Korea. The research paper proposed a new algorithm to counter network congestion and foil spam attacks in the Tangle. The concept presented during the IEEE International Conference on Blockchain and Cryptocurrency 2019 in Seoul, South Korea, suggests replacing the proof of work that's currently used by IOTA and adapt it to allow slow nodes to get their transactions confirmed with high probability while introducing a throughput. No, introducing a throughout cap. I think they mean a throughput cap for potential attackers. Or throughout cap? Hey, look, man, I don't know what that means, man. Throughput cap, I think. So, paving the way for a global standard. IOTA founders, Director of Research, Dr. Moody Alam, served as a panelist on the Beyond Cryptocurrencies Roundtable, where he discussed the current status of research into scalable DLT, as evidenced by IOTA, as well as a vision for the role of these new technologies in the near future. IOTA may still be among the new blockchains, but it has stood head over shoulders against its competitors. Of course it does, man. It's infinitely scalable, infinite transactions, and it's already quantum proof. What the fuck? Look, there are many but it's not a blockchain, it's a Tangle. There are many reasons behind this, but the sum total is that it's paving the way for a global standard. Now, you guys remember this way back last year, so if you're new here, for sure you guys didn't hear about this. Last year, Fujitsu in Japan said, Fujitsu and Microsoft got together, and they said that they're going to use IOTA in all of their, they want to make it, that's what Microsoft and Fujitsu said, they want to make IOTA the standard of Internet of Things. That's what they said they want to do. I mean, we'll see if they can get around to doing it, but, you know, and so that's partly why I also read this, just like, wow, you know, because it said this thing about the standard, about a global standard, and that's exactly what Fujitsu said. Like, they said, yeah, we want to make this IOTA, you know, yeah, the standard of how Internet of Things devices communicate with each other, right? Oh, pretty awesome. But actually, I never did hear anything about it after that. Actually, I've never heard anything about the Fujitsu part after that. All right. There are many reasons behind this, but the sum total is that it's paving the way for a global standard. IOTA's Tangle technology has received mass adoption for its ability to change many things in a positive way in such a short time. IOTA's applications continue to become more popular all over the world, and there is a general belief that in the next few years, many billions of devices will communicate with each other and exchange cash flows. Exactly, many billions, and that's what makes IOTA so powerful, is that the more devices you put on the Tangle, yeah, the faster it works. It's not like blockchains. Blockchains are all fucked up, right? They can't, you know, scalability issues and shit like that. Nah, the more shit you put on the Tangle, the better it works. Zero transaction fees. Infinitely scalable. In other words, yeah, just keep putting shit on it. Yeah, it can grow forever. Infinite. Like, when I say infinitely scalable, those aren't my words, like, you know, I'm trying to exaggerate to you guys and to make it sound like, no, I mean, it literally is infinite. Yeah, everything you put on it, fine. It works. All right. Yeah, man, this is crazy. But I love the Tangle, man, IOTA. So, you know, it's worthy, right? And the IOTA people, they don't run around boasting and everything. They should. This thing's amazing. Anyways, IOTA's Tangle is in the front line of enabling the networking of devices. in the Internet of Things. And that's what's happening. IoT. See, it says IoT, Internet of Things. Yeah, just devices are going to start talking to each other and giving data about stuff, you know, to your local government, to whoever, to whatever, you know, whatever, man. Just these things are going to start talking and stuff. And that's because, you know, the 5G network is coming out. And that's going to enable AI, IoT, all sorts of shit, machine to machine, something. Oh, here it is right here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'll read it to you right now. But yeah, that's what 5G. Yeah, IOTA's ready for that. It's ready to be, yeah, put anything you want on us. Any device you want, boop, 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 anything. It'll be faster and better even. Which was like, why I want to tell you that is, so like for a city, yeah, well, if I'm a city and I want to measure carbon dioxide or monoxide, I don't remember, whatever, the tailpipes, you know, the gas that comes out of the tailpipes of the cars, right? Yeah, I can put devices all over my city and they communicate. Yeah, and they feed me the data. Which has the most carbon monoxide? At what times? You know, blah, blah, blah. And you can do things, you know, maybe plant more trees there to get the carbon out of the air or something. You know what I mean? I don't know. But, you know, stuff like that. All right. So IOTA Tangle is the front line of enabling the networking of devices in the Internet of Things, IoT, which is exploding. According to estimated statistics, by 2025, about 75 billion devices will communicate with each other through machine-to-machine protocols. Well, they're going to use machine-to-machine stuff, and that's what IOTA is built for. Well, it does more things than just that, but yeah. So the IOTA could present a paper at IEEE ICBC is no small feat and is a vote of confidence on the growth of strength of the IOTA research team. So the IEEE, I remember from back in the days, the IEEE it's sort of an internet standard thing, right? Like, you know, we have what's called ISO standards, right? So here in America, we have, what do you call these? A light socket. Not a light socket, electric socket, right? Or let's say Europe electric sockets, right? Boop. It looks the same way no matter where in Europe you go, and it's 120 volts. That's their ISO standard in Europe. And our ISO standard is, you know, whatever volts our thing is. I don't remember what it is. But, and then we have the two things with the pokey thing in it, right? I wish I could show you. Or, you know, like a universal serial bus, USB. Yeah, that's an ISO standard, right? So IEEE, though, they're like an internet standard company. They make standards around the world, right? And then everyone adheres to them. All right. But anyway, so bang. But the fact that, IOTA, they presented a paper to these guys, that's pretty interesting. Yeah, that's pretty interesting, right? And like I told you, Fujitsu and Microsoft want to make IOTA, the standard of IoT devices. So, you buy an IoT device, it'll just have IOTA. It'll be Tangle ready, is what they want to do. Yeah, man, that's what they want to do. And so, bang, look, bang, IOTA hodlers. Oh, and I hodl lots of IOTA. I told you, after VeChain, IOTA's my next one. So look, bang. All right, now HSBC. All right, now let's get to our money. Nice. So yes, HSBC takes the crypto leap, educates customers on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology. Exactly. They're getting their customers ready. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. I told you. What did I tell you guys last year? That's your mass adoption. When fucking HSBC, when Bank of America, when Santander, flipping Credit Suisse, soccer mom and soccer dad goes into the local bank. Yeah, and that guy with the slick, nice suit comes up and says, "Hi, Mr. Johnson. Hi, my name's George. Yeah, I'm your account manager. Look, we've got a great opportunity for you. Why don't you come over here? We'd like to show you a little something. It's called cryptocurrency." Yeah, they're sitting down and educating these motherfuckers now. Yes. I told you guys that. I told you they're going to have big, nice, glossy brochures. I told you, I bet you right now, Fidelity Investments, I bet you they have like 50 different crypto products. And they've got the brochures already made, man. Already made. They've already got the salesman tailored and coiffed. His hair coiffed. Luck, brothers. And so, look, brothers, this is your mass adoption. This is your mass adoption. When the banker goes to soccer mom and soccer dad and says, look, I've got this brand new investment opportunity for you. Of course you could trust me. I work with HSBC. Look at my nice suit. Look at my coiffed hair. Yes. Come right this way, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Come right this way. Look. So look, let me get fueled. Here comes our money. Last night was the liquidity talk. Bang! Here's some more liquidity talk. But you see what HSBC is doing? Oh, they're getting right into the customers. Look, brothers. Now they're bringing soccer mom and dad to us. Oh, yes. Oh, and their salesman, he's going to be in a nice suit. Oh, all tailored. Not looking like this, obviously. Yes, he's going to be skinned, clean, shiny. Yes. Smelling good. Yes. He's going to have a little plaque with his college degree behind him, behind his desk, right? Right? And then a picture of him, like, I don't know, with the wife and kids, right? Smiling, beaming, glowing with love and joy. Look, soccer mom and dad can't resist that shit. They can't resist that. And then when he pulls out from when he reaches into his desk, yes, and he pulls out the glossing, the crispy, like when he pulls out the bright, shiny crypto brochure. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. I'd like to introduce you to a new investment opportunity that the fine minds at HSBC have come up with just for you. Oh, shit. And he starts talking some bullshit about, not bullshit, but he just starts dropping numbers. Well, you know Bitcoin was at 3,100 in January. It's now 11,491. Now's not the time to waste. Yes, now's not the time for the hunting trip, sir. But my wife, she said she wants a kitchen. Sir. Mr. Johnson, now's not... Sir, now's not the time for the kitchen. I believe that this is a unique investment opportunity for you and your family. Just open the brochure and take a look. Oh, dudes, you know how slick this shit's going to be. It's going to be slick. Holy fuck, I could do it. Oh, hey, I should go work for HSBC. Just be like, look, give me a G for every person I sign up. I'll fucking sign up every soccer mom and dad in this whole fucking town. Actually, I really would. Because I wouldn't talk the bullshit from the brochure. I'd be like, look, fuck this brochure. There's a tsunami of money. I'd preach them the real. Look, fuck that brochure. There's a tsunami of money coming. Okay? People don't, the usual story I tell you guys. People don't apply over and over and over again to offer crypto stuff if there's not a tsunami that they know. Right? They'd be like, wow, Clark, you've signed up over 50 people this month. Yeah, well, your brochure is doing very well, sir. You guys are geniuses. Our other sales employees have only signed up 3 apiece. Yes, wow. All right, guys, a little seriously, though. Holy, we went into a whole craziness right there. Sorry, guys. All right, so let me just get a sip, though. You know how it is, brothers. I like talking about our money coming, man. It makes me excited. Right? It makes me happy. It makes me want to talk to you. I guess sometimes I get a little carried away. Look. All right, let's go, brothers. Oh, all that bullshit. Yeah, we're not reading all that crap. All right, we're going to start down here. So, HSBC. Holy, I got to even bang some shit right here. But, look. The 7th, hold on, don't fuck with me. The 7th largest bank in the world. Oh, brothers. Took a step into the space after the crypto space after it sent out a newsletter to its customers, educating them on Bitcoin and other fintech terms. Yeah, educating them about the terms, just the words used in this space. This move was made by HSBC's Malaysian branch. HSBC Bank Malaysia, Berhad. All right. Look. In the June 2019 liquid issue, the bank presented data collected by CNBC on crypto, Bitcoin, and blockchain technology under the title FinTech Explained, unraveling some of the key terminologies you need to know to understand FinTech. Exactly, they're teaching the people. Yeah, this is what you need to know. These are the terms, these are the, the words, What's a proof of stake? What's a proof of work? What is a cryptocurrency? What's a blockchain, right? Just teaching them basics. Getting them ready to be sold the shit, right? Right. So the issue explained Bitcoin as probably one of the most well-known fintech terms and widely known in mainstream finance. Bitcoin is the first and one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies used by traders in fintech. Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer payment network without the need for governance by any central authority. This new endeavor of HSBC's part, was welcomed by many in the cryptoverse. Binary Gold, a Reddit user, commented, "How times have changed. A few years ago, this was a warning. Do not invest in this shady, evil, terrorist-supporting dark market pyramid scheme that will land you in jail and take your spouse and firstborn." Exactly. But now, Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer payment network without the need for governance by any central authority. Fair and balanced. Kudos. Bang! Exactly. And so that's it. What are they? How many? The 7th largest in the world is now educating their people about buying crypto, Bitcoin, all of it, like literally educating them like these are the terminologies, right? And so what's that going to do? That adds on to what we talked about last night. Liquidity. Brings soccer mom and dad money in, brings everybody's money in. So bang! Good for us. Good for the crypto sphere. And again, basically good for us. Look, bang! Now, oh yeah. And so we talked about this before. I told you, I know that China banned all this bullshit with crypto, but right, they keep coming out with those 35 top crypto companies that they think are the top, right? Every month they come out with that. And they told their people earlier this year, remember this, Q1, was it like January, February? They told their people to read a book called Investing in Cryptocurrency. And so China's going to unleash this. It's just they want it in some super controlled manner, right? And I think this is evidence of exactly what I told you guys from last year. So China comes out today, and here it says, China calls Bitcoin a safe haven asset. Bang! That store value. I mean, what I've been telling you guys, but as global economic tensions rise. And, again, so China is telling their own people this is a safe haven asset. Yeah, well, China is 1 in 5 people on Earth. They're telling their people, if you're a little worried about any money, buy this, right? It's the green light. It's the go-ahead. China's a one-party system. Communist Party of China. They run the whole place. And if they say, hey, have at it, well, they're not telling them have at it, but they're sure telling them that, wow, it's a safe haven. What does that mean? Obviously, they're going to let them have it in a minute. You'll see. But let's read, brothers. Look. A recent report from China indicates the government's outlook on crypto could be evolving as geopolitical tensions continue to boil. Xinhua News Agency, China's state-run press agency, published analysis on Tuesday. State-run news. In other words, yeah, that when Xinhua talks to you, yeah, that's the communist. Sorry, guys. That's the Communist Party of China talking to you, telling you this is what's what. You know what I mean? So, Xinhua State News Press Agency published an analysis on Tuesday stating that Bitcoin displays the attributes of a safe haven asset. What? the official news agency, bang, right? China's state-run press agency, state-run. It's run by the Communist Party of China. Xi Jinping and his boys, they run this. Well, they said to the Chinese people, look. You know those Bitcoin over there? Could be a safe haven asset. Yeah, when you're Chinese and, you know, and Xinhua says that to you, yeah, you know what that means. Government sanctioned. You're good to go. All right. So since the beginning of this year, due to multiple factors such as the escalation of economic and trade disputes and the expected downward adjustment of the global economic growth rate, global capital market volatility has intensified. Bitcoin has shown the characteristics of safe haven assets and attracted many investors' attention. In addition, Facebook's proposed release of the cryptocurrency Libra has greatly increased the market's popularity and attracted more investors into the cryptocurrency market. I know, and that's true. I know, I like I said, I'm not going to talk about that Facebook coin thing. Like, we're not going to do a whole story, but I will fucking say this. You guys know I'm a Forex trader. So my time is spent on Bloomberg and CNBC every day, and everyone's talking about this crypto. Everyone's talking about Facebook. Facebook crypto, Facebook crypto, Facebook crypto. Every soccer mom and dad that watches at least Bloomberg and CNBC, oh, they're hearing it. They're hearing it. I mean, those are money people, you know. You tend to, you know, unless you're sort of a money person, you don't really watch that channel. But if you're any kind of investor, even a soccer mom or soccer dad E-Trade investor who's just got their little stock stuff on E-Trade or whatever, and you're watching your CNBC, yeah, you're hearing crypto. It's crypto. Big time right now. And that's what's needed first before the regular soccer moms and dads get in. Right? These ones that are already invested that watch, like, in other words, the people who watch CNBC and Bloomberg, yeah, they're probably already investors. Regular folk just don't watch that, right? Yeah. And so, you know, they watch local news to get their weather reports and stuff like that. But so that's going to attract those kind of people first. And that's what's cool. But back to this China thing, though. Look at what they said, man. Like, they're telling their people it has characteristics of a safe haven assets. Safe haven asset. Bang! Xinhua News. So the analysis cuts a different tack than previous moves made by the Chinese government, which banned initial coin offerings and more forms of Bitcoin trading in 2017. Exactly. Well, they don't want ICOs in that. They don't want their people to get ripped off. I like I said last year, what they're doing, yeah, they banned it all, and they're going to bring it in slowly in a controlled manner, right? We read about it, I think it was a Q1 this year, right? Right, like I told you, they made the people read the book. Well, not made them, but said, read the book Investing in Cryptocurrency. In other words, they're going to roll it out, but they're going to roll it out in a controlled manner, right? The analysis cuts a different tack than previous moves, which banned it. All right, back. So the government has also discouraged Bitcoin mining, driving many mining operations out of business. China's potential warming to crypto comes as U.S. President Donald Trump continues to threaten the country with a slew of new tariffs. Says Garrick Heilman, head of research at cryptocurrency studies services firm Blockchain, fears of China's trade concerns have been driving up demand in China. We're seeing onshore premium for Bitcoin in China that's fueling the price increase there as well. So, just last week, Grayscale Investments, I think we read about them last night, didn't we? No, not last night, but the night before or something. Just last week, Grayscale Investments, the world's largest cryptocurrency asset manager, released a report advocating for Bitcoin investments as a hedge against global liquidity crises. However, Xinhua's analysis does caution that investors should be alert to the speculative risks in the Bitcoin market. Of course, you should. Prices go up and down. You never know. But bang! The fact that Xinhua said it, look. That's the official government mouthpiece in China. If Xinhua, says, hey, this is safe haven, yeah, you're good to go. You're good to go. That means the Chinese government is, bang, validated it, has given it the all clear, the green light. So that's it, brothers. Look. So good stuff. Which, remember, 1.5 people are Chinese. Well, look. That's a lot of liquidity right there. Lots of liquidity, and that's what we need. Look. So let's get you back. Well, look first. Bang. Let's get the shout-outs. Bang. Oops. Oh, I banged it, and it's not doing anything. Oh, I see. All right. Bang, all right. Benny M. Gazai, I love you, brother. Bang. Oh, this thing, the liquidity coming from different angles, right? Seoul registered exchanges to sales to offer the first regulated security token on a national stock market. All right. Look. What do we got here? DP Entertainment. Look. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Digital Dolta. Dollar. Bang. See you, brother. What's this guy? Zion Coins. Our vision is Zion Coin being a gate to cryptocurrencies from the fiat currency world. We believe cryptocurrency is a new dimension to the Internet of Things. Yes. Look. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Ah, good luck with that. Yes. A new division to the multiverse, maybe. Look. My Asian brother. Bang. Ryan. Bang. Stallion. Sweetie. Love you, girl. Bang. Stealth. What's he talking about? XST official Twitter. Quantum proof of stake. Fast. Feeless. Private and scalable. Look. Bang. All right, Stealth. Van Brinen. Yes. Michelle. Is everything okay downstairs? Yes, Mama. The markets are red today. They are a little bit red today, Mama. So I'm going to buy the dip so I'm not an idiot, Mama. BTDI, Mama. When I invest in the cryptocurrency, Mama. Yes. Everything is on sale tonight, Mama. Please fix me a sandwich. Bang. Look. Van Brinen. Bang. Yes, here's Poppy. What's he dealing with now? Oh, he got a new logo and a new little circle thing. Nice. Poppy Wood. Love you. Bang. Oh, shit. The darkness. Yes. Wow, darkness. Welcome. Thank you for your presence. Yes. I have enjoyed your show tonight, Shmari. Please stay along these lines. Yes, darkness. Yes, I will. I will continue doing what I do. Yes. And then see, he just disappears. You look around, right? You just feel like a cold wind. Like, what? Oh. Yes. All right. But you still got to give him a bang. You see how it got to be respectable. You got to say it low. Bang. Like just bang. All right. You can't be all like loud. All right. Just kidding. Look, brothers. Look. Like this kind. You can't be like this. Look. Moon landing. Bang. Yeah. You got to be a little more respectful. The darkness. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yeah. Love you, brother. All right. I think that's all the suspects. All right, maybe a couple more. What's this blue guy here? Base FX, Crypto Futures Exchange. Oh, 20 times to 100 time leverage. What are you talking about, motherfucker? Perpetual contract. Wait a minute. Who the fuck are you? Yeah. Are you in America, motherfucker? Look, if you're watching this, tweet me and tell me if you're in America. Look, bang. I'm sure if you were, I'd have already heard about you by now. Kong. Oh, not Kong. Oh, this is my buddy Sean. Oh, that's the guy you guys saw smoking the weed. Bang, Sean. Oh, yes. Oh, so. Look. Bang. Radster. Bang. All right, that's enough. Let's get you back to your wife. Bang, and live. Bang, look. So, guys, IOTA gave the new Tangle. It's going to do all that great stuff. What did it say it's going to do? There was something great there, though, that I did like. did it say? Hold on, guys. IOTA said, oh, yeah, the global standard thing. Right. You know, exactly. Right. Exactly. That's where they're really trying to pave the way for. They're trying to be a global standard of IoT. But they do all this other, I mean, obviously, you guys know they have all those other use cases. IOTAs with, what, Jaguar, Volkswagen, Audi, the United Nations, Microsoft. There were so many. The garbage can thing. We read about that one time. So look, IOTA, bang! Yes. Oh, but what was cool about that was they were presenting that at the IEEE thing, which is the Internet Standards thing. And so, I don't know what that means exactly, but, you know, I mean, I don't know. That IEEE thing, you know, they don't make laws. They're not a legislative body, so it's not, you know, like they can tell countries they have to use IOTA or something, but, you know, it's like the IMF or the World Bank. They write reports and they sort of give guidance. Well, we think this, we think that. This is what our analysis shows. That's what our analysis shows about that. And then it's up to people to either use it or not, right? And so that's good, I guess, you know. You get your 2 cents in and let's see. Look, so HSBC takes crypto lead. Oh, right. They're educating their people on crypto. Exactly. Now they're getting soccer mom and dad. They're getting them primed. They know what's about to happen. They know what's about. I mean, they're what was it? The 7th largest bank in the world. Not flipping stupid. They're like, look. We got to get these people trained up, and we got to get them ready for when we present them with the nice glossy, hi, Mr. Johnson, would you like a crypto 401k? Then Mr. Johnson's like, sure, sounds great, right? That's what's going down, getting them educated, get them ready. Told you. Wait till Fidelity. Oh, my gosh. Like I said, man, Fidelity, I bet you they got 100 products right now. Yeah, probably worldwide. Brochures already made out for their sales force to attack soccer mom and dad with. It's going to be wild, brothers. And that's your mass adoption. That's going to be your mass adoption. Then finally, bang, China calls Bitcoin a safe haven. Well, it can't get better than that. The Chinese government is a one-party system, and that one party said Bitcoin is A-OK. So that's going to bring in liquidity. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you this. So China said it's A-OK for Bitcoin, and HSBC is teaching their people. I tell you that in China, it's better to have the Chinese government tell you it's good for your Bitcoin than the guy at the HSBC. You know what I mean? When China tells you it's good to go, all right, you know it's good to go. Right? Anyways, guys, so it's a safe haven. All right, let's get you back to wives and lives. Let's chill it and kill it. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell so you have automatic notification when I do these shows. Guys, I love doing these for you. Love talking money, love talking crypto. It is the favorite time of my day. So until tomorrow, look, my name's Shamar Clark. Bang, love talking money, love talking crypto. I will see you tomorrow. Shamar Clark, I am always on duty. Bang. See you tomorrow. Over and out.